We structure our entire lives around things we can touch. We look at the earth beneath our feet, the stone structures we build, the sheer rock faces of mountains, and we see an absolute guarantee of stability. In contrast, the things we actually do, our daily choices, the words we speak, the private moral decisions we make, feel completely intangible. They seem to evaporate the moment they happen, leaving no physical trace behind. But the Quran presents a moment where this reality fractures. It is called Al-Qaria, the striking calamity. This is an abrupt, deafening acoustic blow that instantly shatters the physical world. In a fraction of a second, the gravitational laws and material constants that we assume govern our universe simply stop working. If the very ground we stand on loses its structural integrity, what exactly is left to hold on to? Surah Al-Qaria describes an event where the earth convulses. The globe is stripped of the quiet, dependable stillness we take for granted. A'udhu billah. The text gives us two vivid images to explain the aftermath. First, it states that mankind will be like scattered moths. Moths fly blindly, colliding in chaos, drawn towards destructive light. In this moment, humanity's collective structures, our governments, and our organized societies dissolve into panic. We are rendered completely directionless. A'udhu billah. Then comes the second image. The mountains will become like carded, tufted wool. Think about the mountains we saw earlier. These are the heaviest, most imposing geological features on our planet. Yet here, they are broken down and scattered in the wind like loose fabric. The heavy becomes light, and the organized becomes chaotic. The material universe is canceled. The sheer density of rock and soil we relied on to keep us grounded is exposed as fragile and hollow. Everything physical that we spent our lives accumulating, measuring, and valuing is revealed as a temporary construct, unable to withstand the reality of the Day of Judgment. As the physical laws of mass and gravity disappear, a new system takes their place. This new law of physics is governed by the Mizan, the divine scale of justice. Here is the great inversion. Invisible actions, patience, charity, prayers, suddenly materialize with terrifying density. Al-Jawabu Thaqil, a heavy scale anchors you to an eternally stable life. وَإِنْ كَانَتْ نَوَازِينُهُ خَفِيفًا. But if your scale is light, your destination is the Hawaya, a bottomless abyss of fire. In this new reality, lightness is not a release from gravity. It is the horrifying realization that your life lacked any actual substance. You have nothing to weigh you down, so you simply fall. In our worldly lives, we measure success by metrics that constantly change. Wealth, status, physical strength. Those metrics are erased. This final weighing is absolute. With every atom of physical matter gone, the moral weight of what you did with your time alive becomes the only metric that dictates your existence. When the cosmic dust settles and the noise of the calamity fades, the focus becomes intensely personal. It is just you, stripped of your wealth, your titles, and your physical strength, standing alone. The houses we build and the ground we walk on are temporary. In the end, they weigh absolutely nothing. The only things that will carry mass in the Akhirah are the choices we make today, the ones we think no one else sees, the ones we assume do not matter. The strike of Al-Qaria is a guarantee. The question is whether we will wait for the mountains to turn to wool before we measure the actual weight of our daily actions. We have the opportunity to build that moral mass right now. The true measure of our lives will be found solely in the weight of our deeds. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.